Hi, welcome to my channel. This is unboxing from Lily. You are watching the unboxing of Yeezy 700 site. Okay, now go. Let me show some key details about this perfect shoes. Firstly, you can check the side. We have got this very clean midsole with soft covering. Okay, now you can check this over detail. It's nothing right here. Okay. Next, you can check this detail with 3 material. Perfect. And you can check this sweet. They are super nice and very smooth. Really soft. Next, let me turn to the back side. You can check the sweet. It's really soft and smooth. Okay. Okay, now up close to the midsole on the back. We have got this black line right here. Turn to this side. We have got this perfect shape. Check this very smooth, sweet. Okay. And also it comes with this three lines with 3M material. Okay. From this side, you can check this shoe tone. The sweat is really soft. Okay. And also check this detail with 3M material. Okay. Next, let me show these laces. Very great laces. Let me have a look inside. Okay, here is the inside. Okay, let me check this size tag inside. Okay, clearly? Okay. Next, let me show this button. It has this black button and with the boost. The logo, clearly. Okay, perfect shape. Okay, let me check this here. The back, this side, the shoe tone, and this detail. Okay, whole shoes with perfect quality and workmanship. Okay, really cool. And also, let me check this inside without the insole. So you can check this boost. You can check the stitching inside. We even pay attention to the stitching inside. It's really perfect. Now let me check this pattern. Really soft, comfortable. Okay. Next, let me show this on photo review later.